In manufacturing, downtime kills productivity and profits. That's why Sonic fits your 5S and Lean program and offers tool solutions that deliver precision, accountability, and performance. Our tooling and foam systems give you total tool control. So no more wasted time searching, no more production delays, and no lost tools. Lean, efficient, and built to cut costs across your facility. Maximize uptime, minimize risk. Sonic keeps your team working because in your facility, downtime is not an option. Sonic, get more done.